It's the Gemini Trader. Charts go up, charts go down.
This is Zane from the Gemini Trader. As always, it is now time to mark our chart for the coming week. We have some really important red folder news coming up. NFP is also coming in the next week, so let's plan our trade for gold. Okay, let me just start off by removing all my drawings. As we discussed in the previous week, we made a new all-time high. So I'm going to mark this high right now. And I'm also going to mark this low here, okay, at 3002 level, and the highs are at 3086.965. That's the wick. And also I want to mark this yeah, let me just mark this right now, and as we go down to the lower time frame, we'll see if that needs to be there, or should we do we need to remove that that marking. Anyways, let's go down to the daily time frame now. In daily time frame, we have a really solid support, so I'm going to mark that. I'm going to try to make it as thin as possible. Okay, and I'm going to mark one more zone here. Is this support. As you can see that we have clean ranges on these sides. So our one support is at 2887 to 89 level. The other support is at 3019 to 20 levels. Okay, and let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, in the 4-hour time frame, we are first let's just adjust this support level and bring it down to 3013 to 3015. Let's just make it a little more slimmer. Yep, that looks perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to clone this and I'm going to mark two support levels. One at 3046 to 47 level. The other is at 3071 to 72 levels. Now, as you can see, this I love. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I love these kind of supports where we have multiple rejections. That means that this area has been respected before. And if you go to the gold, or sorry, if you go to the left on this level, 3048 and 47 level, I mean, you can see this rejection here, and then you can see, the market dumping down, coming down to the support level. So yeah, I love, I love these markings. I want to add one more zone, by the way, on 4 hour, in case if the market, takes a dip. This is 2,980 to 982 levels. All right, and yeah, just to be on the safer side, just so that we are prepared, even if the market comes down for correction, we're going to mark no, we're going to mark this level, this support, and also one final for the 4 hour. It is this support. Let's see how it looks if we put it here. I think this is better because we have a support, and then this candle created a wick, respected this area, did not close below that, and kept moving up. Okay, so this looks pretty solid. Now let's go down to the 2 hour time frame. We are going to you know we're going to adjust our zones. I brought that down to 3069.2 and 3069.9 levels, and I'm going to mark one more supports as we ended our week on that one. And I'm going to mark one more support, and that support will be at 3050. First, let's just see, do we really need this support or not? Let's just measure our range. If it's more than 30 pips, then I'm going to keep it there. Otherwise, I will probably remove it. Yeah, we have 70 pip range. We can. This is a very good range. Okay, and we have to mark one more support. This one. I'm sure you must have an idea why I marked that support. We have support here, rejection, couple of rejections, multiple rejections on these sides, and then support here as well. Hence, turned out to be, initially that area was respected. But once it broke down, we had this, very good range in the middle. So I'm just gonna keep it there. This is a very good sign for me. Now I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to mark I'm going to readjust my support, and I'm going to mark one resistance. As you can see, many rejections here, many rejections here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it there, and yeah, that looks pretty solid. And for 30 minutes, um, yeah, I'm gonna add one more zone, by the way. I'm gonna add this one here, and then we have this support. Let's just see what's our range. Yeah, we have 30 plus pip range, almost 30 pip range. Okay, awesome. So now let's just talk about our trading plan. So this is what I'll be looking for in the following week. First of all, as always, first day of the week, I do not trade on the agent during the agent session. So for me, my ideal scenario would be for the bullish, the candle needs to close during pre-London, making a new all-time highs or above this, just above this level. Then I'm looking for further move towards 3100, 3000, 3100 levels. Okay, that would be that's my um, that's what I'm looking for. If the market, if the candle closes above this, obviously I would just aim for 20 to 40 pips, and I will close my 80 to 90%, and I will let the rest run by setting my stop loss to break even. My other plan, since we made some clean moves whilst making a new all-time highs. So what I'm also looking for is candle closing, breaking this support, closing below this level, giving me a resistance, and now I'm looking to fill this wick. Okay, so as you can see, this wick is about 40-50 pip range, and if this candle closes below this wick, then we also have this clean range, so we can keep our position open to target these levels. My bias for the next week is buys. I am more comfortable in buys than sells. So I think we should be looking for more, you know, for more all-time highs. However, we need to be prepared. So if you're looking for sales, if you somehow miss this move, always remember, don't panic. If you lost the move, it's okay. We work in a market. We have many other opportunities coming down, down our path. So what we can look for is, let's if you lost this move, the beer move, just wait for the candle to close below this level, below this support, or the ideal would be to close below this level, give your resistance, take your 20 pips, 20-40 pips, and get out from the market. So that would be my trading strategy for the following week. As always, just a quick reminder, trade safe, don't overtrade, don't revenge trade. I'll see you guys next week. Take care.
Yeah, it's subscribe now, don't be late. Gemini Trader dropping knowledge straight.